Hey, it's Cornelis from Your Band is a Business, and today I want to show you how you can get started streaming on Twitch as a musician. Now, in case you don't know, Twitch is a website, it's a video streaming platform that is mostly used by gamers, and they stream themselves playing games, and other people can watch those live streams and leave comments and interact with the streamer. Now, as I said, mostly gamers that are using this, but I've seen musicians use it, and I think it has great potential for musicians. So I'm here on twitch.tv, and as an example, I'll show you somebody called Bella Goldwyn, and she does regular streams on our website, and I will show you one of these that is an older one that she did a few days ago. Now, in order to stream yourself, obviously you need some kind of inbuilt webcam on your laptop or a separate webcam. You need a microphone to pick up the music that you're making, and you will need a fairly good internet connection, and your laptop needs to be fairly good as well. You might hear the fan on my laptop right now because I've got the streaming software open and it seems to be working my laptop really hard. But see, I don't know the exact specs that you need. It's not like hardcore gaming, but just have a go and see if your computer is up to it. Anyway, so we're just watching an example of her live stream. Let's see if we've got some sound here. And as you can see here, I'll just turn the sound off, but she's just talking to the people here on the right, and this is the chat box, so people are asking her questions about her music and what she's doing. And so she's able to talk to them, she can get requests, she plays on her piano, she plays on her ukulele, and what is so good about Twitch is that it allows you to do these different overlays with the third party plugins. It allows people to send you donations. It looks like a really useful platform for musicians. So that's what made me interested. Now, in order to get started, first you need to get another piece of software which is free, and it is called OBS Studio, and you can get that from obsproject.com. So it's a free piece of software, and this takes your video from your webcam and it routes it into Twitch. So go to obsproject.com and download and install the free software. It's available for Windows, Mac, and Linux. Once you've installed that, go back to Twitch, and you have by now created a profile, hopefully, on twitch.tv, and then you go down here to Dashboard. Click on Dashboard, then on the left, go to Channel Settings. So Settings and then Channel. Now here is something called a primary stream key. So you need to copy that. I won't do it now because I've already done it, but when you're setting yourself up, you copy that, and that will be needed in a moment. So let's go to the OBS broadcasting software. Hey, how's it going? So yeah, this is the software that I'm using right now. There are different settings for choosing what kind of stream quality you want to have, but that's not important right now. Just go with the normal settings. And I do remember when you first set it up, it will test your connection to see what video quality will be best for your internet connection. So if you're worried about whether your internet is fast enough, try the software and it will tell you if you've got a good connection and at what quality of video you need to be streaming. So it'll walk you through it. Anyway, so here on the left, you can choose your webcam. So I've got the built-in one in my laptop, but I'm going with this external one that I just plugged into my USB port. And here on the right, you can see settings. Now click settings, and then here choose stream, and here I chose the service Twitch, so there's different ones, YouTube and Smashcast, I don't know what these are, but I'm just using Twitch. And then that stream key that I got from the Twitch website, I paste that in there, so Command V or Control V. There, as I said, there's loads of options here to change the sound quality and the video quality. I'm not going to do that right now, but you can go through that yourself just to optimize things. Okay, so when you're ready to start streaming, you click on the Start Streaming button. And then if I go back to Twitch, then this screen should update. Oh, there it is. So you can see that what I'm streaming is coming through Twitch. Now there's a slight delay, so I'm holding my hands up right now, then putting them down again, and in a moment you will see that happening. Yeah, so I'm just going to stop that in case anybody logs in. Stop streaming, and I'll close down OBS because it's really making my computer work hard. Anyway, so yeah, that's the very basic gist of Twitch. Now there are lots of different settings and things that you can change. As you can see here, I've got this, or I did have that offline image there. That's somewhere in the settings, I believe, channel settings. Here you go, video player banner. So I made that, uploaded that, so that's got my name, and it shows where people can listen to my music. There's all kinds of options about moderating the chat channel, whether you want to have the chat channel on or not. There's a lot of features here, and it's not something I can go into too much detail in this video, but perhaps I will in the future if you guys want me to go into more details. All I would say is get started with downloading the broadcast software, OBS. Get that set up, test your streaming speed, see if that's going to be good for you. Then yeah, hook up your microphone and a webcam, make one of these offline screens. That's good to have. And the final tip that I can give is to make these customizable Twitch panels. That's what they're called. And basically, so when you're on your channel page and you scroll down, click the edit panels, and then you can edit those. So these are just buttons, and you can link to anything. You can link to your Spotify, your Instagram, your Facebook, just all kinds of websites and profiles. So to do that, you go to this website called nerdordie.com, and you search for customizable Twitch panels, or just look at this URL here to go straight to it. And basically you can create a panel. So look at this, I'm changing the colors. I can change the text color, and I can write something. See? So yeah, and then you can save that, you can download it, and you can upload it here. So I'm just trying to have a nice look and feel for the images, and these are clickable, so that will take you to Spotify if you click that. Anyway, that's it for getting started on Twitch. I've only done a couple of broadcasts so far. I think it's going to be very interesting to see what I can do with it, whether I can build an audience. I've seen quite a variety of musicians on here, so don't just think that it is people that are doing a certain kind of pop music or anything like that. There are all kinds of musicians that I've seen on here. I've seen people do covers, I've seen drummers, just the full range of performers and genres. So if you are interested in streaming, then definitely check out Twitch and let me know how it goes. If you have any questions, you know where to find me. Okay, that's it. I'll speak to you guys soon.